morning, YouTube. So today is Friday morning, and the big question is, should you as a consumer buy a Mustang EcoBoost Premium or EcoBoost base trim for that matter? Is it worth your money to buy this car? What's it like the daily drive? I'm going to answer those questions right now. So should you buy EcoBoost Mustang? My answer is yes. This is a great car. It's a fun little sports car. Now, should you buy one brand new or should you buy one used? I would recommend buying one used because these do depreciate quite a bit. So mine is a 2017 Premium. I bought it a month ago. It has 46,000 miles. And I paid $20,000 for it. They wanted 24, but I was upside down on my loan. My transmission went out. So they worked with me since I've bought a few cars from them. Now, reasons I would say to buy this car is it's got great power, 310 horsepower. You can break the rear end loose. You can slide it around and have all the fun you can in a GT. Just without the V8 rumble, of course. Gas mileage really isn't good in the city. Like right now, I'm averaging 17.3. But on the highway, you can do good. Like if you're commuting, you can definitely get 30 miles to a gallon. Maybe a little more or a little less, depending, you know, on weather conditions, hills, stuff like that. But this premium trim is the one I would highly recommend. Because you have the Sync 3 with Android Auto, and this is Apple CarPlay. And you also get all the ambient lighting at nighttime, which you cannot see now, but you can change the colors of your speedometers and tachometer. You can change all the ambient lighting colors. And also it comes with the shaker audio. This one doesn't have the subwoofer, but it still sounds really good. Right now I have it in sport mode, that's why it sounds like it's all wound up and ready to go. But yeah, this car is just, it puts a smile on my face every time I drive it. It's a lot of fun. Plenty to get up and go. See, right now I'm almost doing 80. And like if you're sitting at like 2,000, 2,500 RPMs in sport mode and you put your foot in it, it just takes off. And a good thing about this car too is it walks away from other turbocharged four cylinders. Like so far I've gone up against a GTI, a Focus ST, and I just pulled away from them like it was nothing. Now as far as like going up against V8 muscle cars, that's not gonna happen. You're gonna see their taillights for sure, but that's all right, you know, like when you can afford it, you can always upgrade to the V8. So now I'll put the transmission in sport and the engine is in sport. You see how it keeps the revs high? This car, just the looks of it, I think it's a beautiful car. Even video doesn't do it justice. If you see it in person, you'll be like, wow, that is a really nice looking car. Which I'm sure you guys have seen probably thousands of them by now, because there's a lot of Mustangs out there. I think that's part of the reason why the EcoBoost depreciate in value so much. It's just because they make so many of them. But that's okay, you buy it used, you save a bunch of money. And you don't have to pay all that depreciation right off the bat by buying it new. see, if there's no cops around, we'll go ahead and try a launch real quick. So go here, acceleration 0-60, automatic start. It says press OK to begin. There's a little bit of moisture out here. We'll see how we do. That one was only a 7.1. This car's definitely got a lot more to give. I think I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico, so I'm about at I think around 5,500 elevation, and the best time I've gotten so far is a 6.1. Usually I get in the high sixes every time I try. My average is probably like 6.7. Yeah, basically I feel like I got a really good deal on this car. Transmission went out my Ford Focus, and it was like $7,000 negative on the loan. Had to trade it in or get the transmission fixed, which was $5,000. So basically I paid 20 grand for this, and they tacked on 7 grand, so 27,000 is what I paid for it. Brand new, this specific premium trim would have been 31,500, I believe. So let's see, let's take a look at fuel economy. See, right now I'm averaging 16.7 miles. So not the best in the city, especially when you're putting your foot into it. This guy's doing here. Now we'll just put it back in normal mode. You can see what that's like. See, so now the engine's calmed down, transmission's calmed down, just at regular revs. This car also has an awesome backup camera right here, like big and clear. Very nice backup camera. It's got projector headlights, so at nighttime you can see really good. And all this interior, this is kind of like a, I guess it's kind of like a leather. Feels pretty good. Steering wheel feels great. Leather wrapped. Then here, this is how you go through all your screens here. And then this would be like your volume for your radio, forward, back. And then you can do voice commands here, answer a call, hang up a call. And then over on this side is all your cruise control. So yeah, after a month of owning this car, would I still buy it? Hell yes. This car's sweet. I would definitely buy it again. Very happy with it. I can't speak on reliability yet, of course, because I've only had it for a month, but so far so good. I did get a 2-year warranty with it, bumper to bumper. You know, really, like if you have like a Focus ST or Fiesta ST or just a regular commuter car and you buy this, you're gonna be super happy. You won't be happy with the gas mileage compared to your old car probably, but you'll be really happy with the miles per gallon this car offers. This car is just loads of fun. And also another thing too, if you get bored with the power of this car, you could just get an ECU tune. That's what I'm thinking about doing, maybe further down the road. You can easily add about 40 horsepower and about 80 pound-feet of torque with just the tune alone, no other bolt-ons. Yeah, so that's about it. Should you buy EcoBoost Mustang? Hell yes. Yes, you definitely should. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's, guys. You guys have a wonderful day.